Retail Assist come up with the right solution for you, whether it's a small company or a large company.
Retail Assist, as the name suggests, are a retail specialist organisation, and that ability combined with their attitude really makes it a supplier that I can work with.
When we actually did the management buyout in July 1999, we needed to get independent systems up and running very, very quickly. We did not have the expertise. Retail Assist provided that level of expertise.
Retail Assist is the UK's only specialist provider of outsourced IT services for the retail sector. We understand retail processes, and we understand that IT services are essential to underpin and support the front line of any retail operation. We are the experts, so while you concentrate on your core business, we'll take away the stress of managing your IT services. Or you may prefer to selectively outsource to Retail Assist the services that make sense for your business. Our professional services team provides business and technical consulting as well as project and programme management.
We go to them with the requirement, they'll write the definition, we'll sign it off, they'll provide us the project manager and the technical resource.
Much is said about partnership. With the engagements we've done so far with Retail Assist, we believe we've achieved that. When we came to look for enhancing our out-of-hours cover, our ability to take calls from the stores outside of normal trading hours, Retail Assist was the natural choice.
The support centre, based in Bingham, offers a help desk and store system support 24/7. This means that your staff, whether at head office, in-store or at distribution centres, get the help they need resolving problems quickly.
They understand that the person they're talking to at the end of the phone is stood in front of a customer at the till. That customer needs answers very quickly, and so they need to ensure that whilst they're in an office somewhere helping someone out, the person who's really in the thick of it is the store assistant, and they're stood in front of a customer.
Your data is a critical business asset. Our purpose-built 24-hour data centre in Northampton is your guarantee that data and information for your business is stored and processed in a safe, secure, environmentally controlled facility.
It's technically specialist. It is not something that we as a business would wish to do because we buy and sell children's wear. We do not have the expertise or even the management focus to be able to do that.
No other provider can match our experience, our exceptional technical skills, or our dedication to client service. Whatever your IT issues, Retail Assist offer a flexible and cost-effective solution, helping you to achieve a rapid and sustained return on investment for your business and IT requirements.
Retail Assist really offer you that personal service. You meet the people who are going to deliver the solution, who understand retailing, understand the scale of your problems and the scale of your business. They don't over-engineer things, they give you the right solution at that time.